Hello, you're welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you're welcome as well. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very simple goat curry sauce that you're absolutely going to love. And before we go into the recipe share, please remember to like the video, share the video with your friends, and make sure you subscribe as well so that you'd be updated whenever I share easy recipes that you can try at home. Today we're going to be making a delicious goat curry sauce that you can pair with white rice or whatever you'd like to pair it with. It's easy to prepare and absolutely delicious. So first thing you want to do is debone your goat meat, and you're going to season it with all of your favorite spices. I'm using curry, thyme, a bit of black pepper, some salt, some seasoning cubes, and then you're going to mix that to combine. You can also add some garlic and ginger, and you're just going to stir that until it combines properly. So once you're done mixing, all of that, you're going to set it aside, and then in a clean pan or pot, you're going to add some vegetable oil, and then you add the seasoned goat meat, and you're going to stir it until it cooks. Please, you don't need to add water just yet. You're going to allow the juices of the goat meat to do its thing first, and then you're just going to allow that to really cook well. And then after that, you're going to add some peppers, some diced onions, and you're just going to mix that up to combine as well. After a few minutes, you're going to add some chopped potatoes, you're going to add some curry, some thyme, basically just seasoning, and then you're going to stir that again to combine. Next thing you want to do at this point is to add some water, and you're going to add just enough water that would cook this goat meat and the potatoes until tender. Then you're going to add some seasoning cubes to taste, and if you'd like to add salt, you may add salt because there was no need. Then you're going to cover that up and allow it to cook until tender. Then you're going to add all of your carrots, bell peppers that you've chopped finely into desired shapes, and then you're going to mix that to combine. Now, if you'd want the potatoes to serve as your thickener, you can mash up the potatoes so that it thickens the soup, but if not, you can use cornstarch or flour. Just add a tablespoon in water, and then you pour it into your sauce. So once you've added the cornstarch or flour slurry, you're just going to mix that up, and you'd notice that it has thickened up, and just like that, you can pair this with white rice or whatever you would like to pair it with. This is an absolute must try. It is so delicious. This is the kind of easy recipe that you can use to impress your guests or impress your family or whoever you want to impress with your cooking skills, because this is a 10 over 10. I hope you try it out. Please remember to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and check out other recipes that we have on the channel, and I'll see you in my next post. Thanks for watching. Bye.